The named function expression. This function is going to start off with the var, let, or const variable keywords. In our case, we're going to use const, and we're going to name our variable named exp for named expression. Going to make that equal to our function declaration here, and then we're going to call our function named like so, then add our parentheses just like normal. And as you guys can see, this looks extremely similar to just a basic function declaration. All we're doing is adding a variable in front of it and making it equal to our function. Now what we want to do is reference our output variable here and change the inner HTML of this particular element to a string that says this is a named function expression. Now what we want to do is actually go ahead and call our function. You guys might be confused as to how to call this function, but to call it, we're going to use our variable called named exp, just like so, with our parentheses again at the end. You can reference this function here that's called named, but you can only reference it within our function block here. Now, if we go ahead and save that, this is a named function, successfully prints out on our HTML page, and we have no errors in our console letting us know that we created this correctly. For our named function expression, we're not going to be able to call it before we declare it. This means that it is not going to be hoisted to the top. So now if we go ahead and try this, it is not going to print out successfully, and we're going to have the error message that says cannot access named exp before initialization in our console, letting us know that we're having that exact error. Click the card above to see what happens next.